fell. Hello, Mark. We're on my phone today. Back to the good old days of using the phone. Thank you for sharing the live, Mark. Don't spam it. Don't spam it. TikTok might think you're a bot. Hello, Bianca. Hello, goods. Make sure to share the live, guys. Wait lang. It's kind of hard for me. Oh, I should do it like this. Wait lang. Technical difficulties. Oop. Okay. And then do the next. Never mind. Hello, you're not late. We just started. Hello to the people here. Make sure to share the live. Hello, Luigi. Wait lang. Okay, it's better. Here is the maroon blue book. Let's look for the page. So, has every lapit na maluto sa UPCAT reel. How do I make sure to share the live? Hello, Jacob. No, nawili kay sir. Hello, YZ. Mas mabili kapag kabisado, yes. Make sure to memorize this, guys. If you're new here, this is the most important part of the UPCAT. Thank you, Jacob, for the gift. Guys, kita ko na yung gifts because I'm on my phone. You're cooked, it's okay. Make sure to follow. If you came here from the TikTok, also check the TikTok I made, guys. Make sure to share it. Yes, we're back to the old setup because they want to do maroon blue book, so I can't do anything. I can't do anything. I mean, I respect democracy, so let's see. Mathematics, is this test 3? I don't know if it's test 3. Test 2. Okay, we're in test 3. Shall we start from the top? Let's start from the top because cosplay as Mika. I'm on my phone, so I don't know how to edit the layout on my phone. First day na quiz kami 50 items. That's crazy. Pre-test lang naman yan, hopefully. Previous lives, yes. I uploaded 3 yesterday, so I'll try to upload the rest today after the live today, okay? Yes, we're back to the maroon blue book because, I don't know, people want this. Also because maybe it's a paid review. First day is hell. How is everybody's first day? This is the 2020 edition. I'm not sure if there are no free versions of this so far. So yeah. Can you screenshot what's on your tablet? Okay. Guys, memorize this. If you're new here, hello to the 500 people. If you're new here, this is our old setup. So this is not our best look. But screenshot this because it's very important for the UPCAT. Okay, you have to memorize this. Make sure to memorize this so you will guaranteed pass in the UPCAT. Or at least get around 10 answers right, probably. Do you have the 4th edition? No, I have the 2020 edition. 2020. Because I took the UPCAT. I was supposed to take the UPCAT in 2020. Miss ko na good face. Same, but I think I have to buy a webcam soon because my phone, I used to use my phone as a cam and it doesn't work like that. Hello to 500 people. Shall we start with math? And shall we start at the very start? Thank you, 971. Also, guys, have you seen the TikTok I made? And do you want me to do more TikToks? Like the TikTok na focusing on one question? Like, if you didn't notice, I used the question given sa ano. I used the question dun sa UPCAT, pero I changed the names. Did you notice that? Did you notice that? Say yes, you noticed. So, like, the UPCAT is here. I can't show it, but somebody sent me the UPCAT. You see, it's this reviewer right here. And then I used the same given. So, it's letter C or letter yung sagot dun. Okay, let's continue. Saan? Like, part number 1 siya sa math dito. Sa UPCAT reviewer na sinend ng UP. Yes? Save what? Come here. Answer save. Yes, we're using the maroon. Huh? Sa TikTok lang siya masasave first, diba?
Hindi, dito rin pwede. Kaya lang hindi ko na makita kung paano yung ginagano
Sa
ako
TikTok
dati.
lang yun. Not sure about Instagram. Wait lang, guys.
Dito dati.
I haven't tried editing on Instagram.
Hindi ko na alam kung
Hello, everybody. My mom is here. Let me try.
Meron ditong part na
Nasa 4th
dati, pag
edition.
bago ko siya i-post, may lalabas na pa ganun. Malay ka?
Yes. Here, oh. Ayun, oh.
Ayan, yan, save mo, save.
Ayun na,
Masisave
processing.
na. Saan? Dito sa dulo.
Yes,
dulo?
you have to swipe lang.
Okay, thank you na.
Okay, bye. Yes, I'll upload this on YouTube. Sorry. Let's do number 1. I am in 4th year. I'm grade 16. Sure. Okay, let's move. My layout is not giving. I don't like this. This is so much harder than ganyan rin mama ko. Nagpapasave siya, guys. May pinapasave siya. Hindi niya daw masave yung ine-edit niya. Kaka-start lang. Wala pa tayong sin-start. Yes, this setup is so nostalgic. Real. Okay, let's solve for number 1. Even though, have you watched this, guys? I posted it in one of those lives. I bet it's posted in one of those lives. Start na. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's start. Hello everybody. Vault available? What's a vault? Okay, let's continue. Yes, Samsung Galaxy Tab 9. Number 1. Let's start with number 1. Let's start with number 1. B. Bakit B? Okay. So the question says, which of the following represents this? A union B intersection C. We discussed this before, but let's go back to understanding. A union B. U is union. U for union. And then B for intersection. This is so much harder. I'm not used to it anymore. A intersection B. This looks like a letter N, okay? N for intersection, okay? That's how you remember it. Intersection, okay? And then all you have to do is draw. Let's draw the circles. This is so much harder, not gonna lie. So much harder than being on the laptop. And then you have to draw the square, guys, because that's the universal set. Hala, hindi pantay. 2, 2, 2. Okay, and then this is A, and this is B, and this is C. So how do we solve for this? Let's just copy this. And let's have to look at it one by one. Okay? Ay, hindi pala. Which of the following represents this? So we have to solve for this. So when you solve for this, you have to group it. Okay? As you can see, my A union B. So i-intersection siya sa C complement. So hanapin muna natin si A union B. And then hanapin natin si C complement. Tapos ipagsama natin siya. Paste. Okay lang ba? Or do you see everything correctly? Okay. So what is A union B, guys? Ang ibig sabihin ng union ay lahat isasama. So pag union, lahat ito isasama natin. Kasi mabait tayo. Si union, pinapagsama niya lahat. Okay, just like that. Pero pag intersection yan, pretend intersection, ito lang. Yung gitna lang nila, or kung saan sila nagko-collide is the intersection. Okay? Pero hindi yan intersection. Ang hinahanap natin is C complement. Okay? C complement. So that would be, alin ang C complement? Ang ibig sabihin ng complement is everything except. Okay? So everything except C. Ito si C, diba? Ito si C. Hindi natin siya isasama kasi ayaw natin sa kanya. So complement means everything but C. So this is everything but C. Okay? And then, what you have to do, guys, is intersection daw. Hinahanap yung intersection ng dalawa. So, yung intersection is kung ano, saan yung same itong dalawa. Saan sila same? So, if I carry this, right? We carry this and we put it on top here. You can see kung saan siya same, right? You see that? Hindi pala kita. That's crazy. Basta, like, obvious naman, ito yung same siya. Dito siya same. Let's make another one. B ba? Yes, it's letter B. So, same sila on this portion lang. Let's color it. This portion sila same. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Kasi wala siya dito. And then wala naman siya dito. Sa outside ng square. So the answer is letter A. Wag muna sagutin. What? We already answered it. It's letter A. Letter A is the answer. So number 1 is letter A. Let's write it down here. Number 1 is letter A. Bakit B? It's letter A. Yung letter B, C complement yan. Pero intersection ang hinahanap. So kung if union ito, itong nasa gitna, union yan, tsaka lang magkakaroon ng B. Hello, Winnie. Letter B is this one. Hello to the 600 people. If you're new here, welcome to the live. Yes, we just started number 1 pa lang. And yes, I do this every day. Ayos pre. Welcome to the live. If you're new here, I teach for the UPCAT. And everybody who studies here has a 100% win rate. So, if you want to stick around, you can do that. Hello, Ken. Discrete math? Yes, I think so. Also, follow to be notified. Yes, make sure to follow so we continue doing this live. Also, there are 12 days left till the UPCAT, just so you know. 12 days left till the UPCAT. Set theory. Okay, game na ba, guys? So, as you can see, same lang sila. Ito yung part na nag-overlap sa kanila. Yung part na nag-overlap sa kanila is this part. Itong part lang na ito. Kaya the answer is letter A. Because intersection means where they overlap. Okay? If that's the way you wanna say it. So, next number. Okay, hello to the 680 people. Hello, Nico. I see you. Let's move on to number 2. In a glass jar, there are a total of 34 sweets. 36 of which are chocolates, while 13/17 are candies. How many are both a chocolate and a candy? So as you can see, guys, yung 13, yung 17, and yung 51, they have an LCD of 51. Okay, let's write that down first. 34 sweets. Tapos, yung 36/51, choc is equal to 36/51. And candies or can is equal to 13/17. So, gawin natin siya in terms, lowest term natin to. What would the lowest term of this be, guys? If we can divide both of this by what? By what number can we divide both of these? This is grade 7 math, yes. And it can be used, yes. It's 12/17. We divide this by 3 and we divide this by 3. That will give us 12/17. Okay? And so, if we make this in terms of 34 yung total. Okay? It says 34 yung total. So, gawin natin 34 yung total dito. Okay? So, if we make this in terms of 34, this you multiply by 2. So, yung taas, i-multiply din natin by 2. Which will give us, what will this give us? What will this give us? I shall shout out whoever answers first. Thank you for following. Make sure to follow. 24. Good job, Via. This is 24. Ito namang 13. What is this in terms of over 34? What will this become? If you multiply this by 2, yes, it's 26K. Good job, K. So, now we know na may 26 na chocolate, 26. Tas si candy ay 24 to. Tas 26 to, tas 24 to. 24, 26. Ngayon, syempre may overlap sila. Okay? This is the set theory again, Venn diagram. Hindi pwedeng walang overlap. How do we know what the overlap is? Since may 24 na chocolate and may 26 na candy, pero 34 lang yung total, ang gagawin nyo dyan is 26 plus 24 minus 34 para malaman natin kung ilan yung nasa gitna. Okay? This middle part. Umay daw. Okay lang yun. Kailangan natin ito pagdaanan, guys. So, this is equal to 50 minus 34 is equal to 16. Good job, Nia. Comma. Comma got it first. So, 16 ang nasa gitna. What is the question? How many are both a chocolate and a candy? The answer is letter A. Okay? Yan yung sagot. 16 yung gitna niya. Patingin ng solution? Okay, here. I shall back away. And yes. Anong 50 calculator? You're a calculator. You should know better. Yes, 16 yung intersection. Why nags times 2? Because we want to turn it into 34 yung denominator kasi 34 yung sweets natin. Okay? It's given na 34 yung sweets natin and alam natin na 17 is a factor of 34. Is that 2020? Yes, this is the 2020 version of the Maroon Blue Book. Also the question. Here's the question. Comment SSD when done. If you need to clear out the screen, just press the something clear. What set? This is set 3. Page 184. Oh, you don't see the question, sorry. Page 184. There. You see the question? There. Hindi ba sumasakit ulo mo? Sumasakit din pag I was gonna say something, but I shall not say it. Thank you for following. Hello to the new people here. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We do this live every day. You have 12 days till the UPCAT. But divide by 3 para makuha yung 17, para madali na siya ma-turn into 34. Okay? From 51, magiging 17. Kaya natin divide by 3. Or tinatawag na lowest term. Okay? Lowest term. And then, you multiply by 2 to get 34. Let us continue to number 3. Oh my god, it's a very long question. Let's answer it slowly because it's long. A group of children were asked whether they like apples, bananas, or mangoes. So it's A, B, and M. So let's draw this again. A, B, and M, right? Let's make this an M. And then, the survey shows that 32 like apples, 26 bananas, 25 mangoes, 30 both apple banana, 14 both apple mango, and 12 both banana mango. And 6 likes all 3 fruits. So the technique here guys is to start sa all, okay? Start tayo sa 6 likes all. Yung mga gahaman sila, like hindi makapili ng isa. Doon tayo mag-start sa gitna. So dahil gahaman sila, feeling nila center of attention sila. So yung 6 na tao yan, dito natin nalagay sa center of attention. So we put 6 there, okay? 6 likes all 3 fruits. Now we work our way backwards from there. And then we go here. So 12 like both mango and banana. Pag mango and banana, dito yan sa B and M. Ay, tama. And then 12 lang daw. Hello G, thanks. Thank you for the heart. And then you just minus 6. So that's 12 minus 6 is 6. Now 13 likes apple and banana. A and B. 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. And lastly, we have 14 apple and mango. 14 minus 6 is 8. Thank you for the gift. Now, what's next? Apple daw. Let's go to apple. Asan si apple? 32 like apple. So we have to add all of this up. That will be 15 plus 6 is 21. 32 minus 21 is equal to 11. Okay? And then next we have 26 bananas. 26 minus this, that's 13 plus 7 is 19. So this is equal to 7. And lastly, 25 like mangoes. Let's add all of this up. That's equal to 20. And then 25 like mangoes. So this is just 5. Now we just have to add all of these up. Okay? Let's add it all up. How do we add this up easily? This is equal to 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 14 is 34. Plus 10 is 44. Plus 1 is 5. Plus 5 is 50. It's fast? Okay, we can slow down. Let me know if it's too fast. And what part yung mahirap din? What part was the hard part? Just let me know and we can slow down. Was that too fast? All you have to do is start from the middle, work your way out, and then add everything up. Okay? You just have to add everything up. This is a grade 7 question. Ano sagot sa 1? Letter A. Letter A and then letter A. A for amen, everybody. Yes, I will upload it on YouTube. Hello to the 855 people. Make sure to follow if you're new here. I do this every day until the UPCAT. Wow, we hit 81k. Thank you, everybody. Also, do you want me to post Yes, I posted on my YouTube. Pisay, I'm not from Pisay, I'm from Mandsay, so it's Mandaluyong Science. It's just a small school, but it's still a science high school. Also, if you're new here, the Ateneo exam is open already, so make sure to also apply for Ateneo, guys, for the clout, you know. You want to tell people I passed the big four schools, okay? Even though you don't want to go to Ateneo, make sure to apply. Also, so I can see you guys. I'm from Ateneo. Let's continue. Which among the following is the largest? Okay, there's no other way to do this but to solve everything. So let's just try to solve everything as quickly as we can, because in the UPCAT, guys, you only have 1 minute to solve each question. Okay, I mean, technically you could take a while to answer one question, but to completely answer everything, you have to answer everything in 1 minute. So let's do it quickly. Let's try the first one. So all you have to do is try mental math, right? 2 squared times 2, that's 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, let's do 8. 8 plus 2 minus 2 divided by 2. Mauuna yung PEMDAS, so division first, which is 1. So 8 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 9. Let's do letter B. 2 times 2 first, that's 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Are we going too fast? Say if we're going too fast, and then we shall may mas madaling paraan, let me know, Mr. Wesker. But this won't take a while if you... Okay, let's continue. Okay, letter C. Let's try letter C. That would be 2 plus 2 squared is 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. We have to do the grouping first. So 0 times 2 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 yung letter C. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Let's do D. Yes, good job everybody. What app am I using? This is the Notes app of Samsung. 2 plus 2 first, we start with the smallest grouping inside. That's 2 plus 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8, minus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, times 2 is equal to 6. So the answer is letter A. Wow, they got it. Letter A. Letter A. B daw pa ulit. Basically, letter B, i-multiply mo muna to. So, 2 times 2, so that's 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 squared minus 2 squared is equal to 0. Maglo-load ka muna. Okay, bye-bye G, thanks. See you later. Basic daw. Paulit ng C. This is C. Okay. So, for C, asan na si C? Unahin natin yung 2 squared. Okay? 2 squared is 4. Divided by 2 is 2. Minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay? 0 times 2 is 0. And 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Okay? Paulit ng A. Okay, no, let's do everything. 2 squared times 2. 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8. 8. And then itong 2 divided by 2, need mo siya muna gawin. That's equal to 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, D. Let's do it. Inulitan natin. Okay, let's do everything. 2 plus 2. Unahin natin yung pinakaloob. Okay. Tutorial on how to apply for Ateneo. You have to get... Are you inside the education.ph site? Magulo lang talaga yung site. But yeah. Okay. 2 plus 2 unahin natin kasi siya yung pinakaloob. That's equal to 4 times 2 is 8. And then minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. And then we divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Okay? Yes, mas mabilis talaga pag mental math. So, just learn how to mentally do it. Or if you want, write it down one by one if that helps you. Kahit di ako mag-upcut. That's good for you, Raf. Let's go on to the next number. Where can you find the replays of my lives? It's in my YouTube. Go to my account mismo and then you can find my YouTube account there. Let's go to the next number. What should be the value of x once the digits in the ones digit of the number 922x for it to be divisible by 6? Okay, so let's look at divisibility. Does everybody know the divisibility rules? Or kahit 6 na lang gawin natin. Shall we do just number 6? Okay, they know the divisibility rules. So, for it to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by 2 and 3. To be divisible by 2, it has to be even number. And for it to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Okay? Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Okay. What's that sound? Oh, live goal achieved. Wow, thank you, G. Thanks. Okay, let's continue. So how do we know if it's a multiple of 3? Let's see. 9 to 2x. So the last number for it, thank you for the roses. For it to be an even number, it has to be even, diba? So bawal si 5, x na agad si 5. No, it's not 5. X na si 5 kasi it has to be an even number. Para maging even para maging divisible by 2. It's okay, Cal. It's okay if you said 5. Okay. Next, what we have to do, bawal na si 5, we have to add the digits. This is 9 plus 2 plus 2. 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus either 0, 2, or 6. So, add natin to. This is equal to 13, right? 13. Pag in-add ba natin yung 13 plus 0, that's equal to 13, is this divisible by 3, yes or no? Is this divisible by 3, yes or no? Of course, it's not. Yes, good job, Lay and calculator. Pero, if we add 13 plus 2, that will be 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes or no? Yes daw. Okay, good job guys. It is divisible, which is why letter B is the answer. Okay, bakit letter B again? Because letter B falls under even number. So, pwedeng even number. And then, kailangan even na para maging divisible by 6. Tapos, kailangan pag in-add mo sila, magiging divisible by 3. Pa-SS? Okay. Here, comment SSD. Mine, number 5. Hello to the 900 people. If you're new here, please make sure to share the live to follow me if you want to pass the UPCAT like everybody else here. Paano po si E ay divisible by 3? Si E or si C? Si C ay divisible by 3 nga. Pag linagay mo yung 5, 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 would give you 18. Kaso, number 5 yung dulo, which makes it an odd number. So, bawal siya dito. Hindi siya divisible by 2. Okay? Bakit hindi 6? 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 19. Is equal to 19. And 19 is not divisible by 3, which is why it is not divisible by 6. You're welcome, Owen. Yes, another example. Okay, I'll give another example. Just let me know if you guys want another example. Okay. 1,852 to 4x. Ayan. Okay. How will we make this divisible by 6? Divisible by 6. What are our options? Let's try 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? First things we have to know ay odd daw. Okay, huh? Odd ones? Hindi pwedeng odd kasi 6 yung gusto natin. Okay? 9, 10, 20. 4. Okay, let's try. Una, I think, let's add all of these up. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. So, 20 yung total nito. 20 plus x has to be equal to a divisible by 3. So, pwedeng 21, right? If you do 21, it's divisible by 3. But it's not an even number. So, kailangan even yung number sa dulo para maging divisible by 2. Yung 4, pwede yung 4. 2 plus 20 plus 4 is 24. which is divisible by 3. Pwede ba si 27? 27 is divisible by 3, pero magiging odd number siya. So, hindi din pwede si 7. Sorry, that was my timer on TikTok. It says I can only be on TikTok for 1 hour. Can you make it divisible by 8? Okay. For numbers to be divisible by 8, its last 3 digits have to be divisible by 8, or it has to have 000 sa dulo. Okay? It has to have 000 sa dulo. So, for example, 1,000. Is 1,000 divisible by 8? Yes or no? Bye! Why are you saying bye? Ito no. Yes, the answer is yes. It's divisible. Why? Because 000 ang kanyang dulo. Okay? 000. Yes, it's 125. Good job, Denzel. Okay, next question. I shall give another number. 5,800. Is 5,800 divisible by 8? SS what? Okay. Yes. Why yes or why no? Yes. It is yes. Kinikilig ako kapag sinasabihan daw ng good job, kinikilig daw siya. It is yes. Why yes, guys? Because the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Paano ko nasabing divisible to by 8? We know we can divide 800 by 8, right? 800 divided by 8 is equal to 100. Okay? Good. Gets. Because you have to look at if the last 3 digits, there's no other way. Last 3 digits siya. For divisibility by 4 naman, for divisible by 4, last 2 digits tinitignan. Kasi even number silang dalawa. No, it's not about even number here for this one, Potato Man. Okay. Paano sa ibang numbers? Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo, let's go through all. Sabi nyo, gets nyo na yung divisibility. Okay, let's start from 2. Start tayo sa 2. Okay? For it to be divisible by 2, it has to be an even number. For it to be divisible by 3, it has to be sum of digits divisible by 3. Next, for 4, last 2 digits has to be divisible by 4. And then for number 5, it has to end in 0 or 5. For number 6, it has to be divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. And number 7, wala si 7, guys, or mahirap yung rule niya, so it doesn't really matter. And number 8, it has to be last 3 digits. Or yung 4, pwede din for 4, pwedeng 0, 0 yung ending. If 0, 0 yung ending for number 4, for example, let's see. For example, ito, is this divisible by 4? 5,800. Is 5,800 divisible by 4? Say yes or no. Is this divisible by 4? Yes, because it ends in 0, 0. Okay? Because it ends in 0, 0, it's divisible by 4. Thank you, everybody. Good job. 250? 250? What do you mean 250? 250 doesn't have 2 zeros. Okay, let's continue. And number 9, for it to be divisible by 9, equals sum of digits divisible by 9. Okay. So let's give another question. SS daw. Okay. Let's SS it here. Okay, if you don't understand that, just write down, mentally note what I said. And I'll give an example. Okay? Let's give an example. So, yes, I'll do an example for 9. Similar lang siya sa 3, guys. Okay. So, let's do an example. 230, 23x 5, 7 And then what number x will make this divisible by 9? All you have to do is multiply, add everything up. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 17. So we have to make it into a number na divisible by 9. We can add 1, pwede si 1, that will be 18. So pwede si 1. 17 plus, what's next to that? Wala na, no? Kasi if you add 9, which is the biggest, that will be 26. So, 1 lang ang pwede dyan. Okay? Hindi pwede si 10. Isang digit lang to, guys. Isang digit lang ang ating i-add. Okay? So, yes. The answer is 1. The answer is 1 lang. It's okay. 1 digit lang yan. Isa pa. Okay. Paano naging 17? You add it up. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay? Let's give a challenge. Okay? My question is, are all numbers divisible? Okay. Pag divisible ba siya by 3, automatic na divisible by 9? Divisible by 9, yes or no? Pag divisible by 3, automatic ba siya na divisible by 9? Yes or no? Yeah, yes or no? Hati ang ating... Oh, more people are saying yes. So, kayo magkopyahan na. Okay, I shall put up a poll because hati ang mga tao. Let's put up a poll so that this is fun and competitive. We love competition here. Joke lang. How do I put a poll? Quick poll. Okay. Happy face if yes, sad face if no. Happy face yes, sad face no. Don't copy each other. If divisible ba siya by 3, divisible ba siya agad by 9? Yes or no? Yes or no? Ooh, there's more no than yes. Pero kanina mas madaming yes, I think. Is it yes or no? Pag divisible by 3, divisible agad by 9. No ata. Hoy, wag kayo magkopyahan. Okay, when does the poll end? Oh, it's very close. Divisible by 3. Pag divisible ba siya by 3, agad siyang divisible by 9. Both? Anong both, be? Yes or no yan? Yes daw sabi ni Dustin. Make sure to... Okay, poll ends in 10 seconds. Everybody cast your vote. Di ko na alam paano mag-multiply. Wala tayong min-multiply. Oh, this is not multiply. This is a letter. A blank letter. Baligtad pala. Okay. So, let's find out. So, an easy example agad. So, the answer is no, okay? So, if you got no, good job. Everybody, congratulate yourself. I wish I had sound effects right now, but I don't. So, yeah. Okay. So, why siya? Example ba? Example. 27. Example, pag divisible by 3. Is 24 divisible by 3? Yes. Is it divisible by 9? No. Okay. If the 24 is divisible by 3, but it's not divisible by 9. So, anything, kasi this adds up to 6, diba? Pag in-add mo yan, it's equal to 6, which is divisible by 3. Pero hindi siya divisible by 9. Yes, 12 is another example. Miss ko na siya, ipin natin yan. Shout out sa Miss na ni Delta. Pero wag niyo siyang gayahin, dapat nag-aaral lang kayo. Kasi, ayan. Thank you, Nico. I was trying to pin it, but I couldn't pin it. Okay, next na. N-next. If ever 18 po pwede. Yes, pwede yung 18. But the question is it always? Pag divisible by 3, is it always divisible by 9? The answer is no. Bakit hindi mo gets? Ayoko na. Good. Ano tablet? This is a Samsung S21. Let's continue. Iiwan na natin si divisibility. Gets nyo na yan. Next question. Evaluate 2/5. But, is it malabo? 2/5 minus 3. Make sure to check my TikTok, guys. I also posted a TikTok. 2/5 minus 3 in an absolute value plus -7/2 plus 1 and 3/4. Okay, how do we do this? The first thing I would do is to solve for this one, okay? How do we solve for this one easily? If you didn't know, what you can do when solving for a whole number, let's put it up like this. There's so much light. Tomorrow, maybe 8 p.m. again. I do live at 8 p.m. every day. First thing, yes, 3 over 1. Good job, Lazy Lay. The first thing you do is to make the whole number, put a 1 under, okay? To make it a fraction, put a 1 under. And then we do what they call the butterfly method. Absolute value means that anything inside becomes positive, okay? So it's like a toxic positivity siya. So kahit malungkot siya, ginagawa niya positive. Or optimism, or whatever. So what we have to do is the butterfly method. First thing you do, multiply 2 times 1. That would be equal to 2. And then multiply 5 times 3. That's equal to minus 15. And then you multiply 5 times 1, which is equal to 5. And then this will give us negative 13 over 5. Pero guys, dahil absolute value siya, what will it become? Anong topic? I think this algebra question mark. It will become positive, okay? So wala siyang pake if malungkot si 13. Magiging positive siya. It disappeared. Where did we go? Okay. So magiging 13 over 5. And then, isolve naman natin yung next. Let's solve the other one. So the first thing we can do for this one is turn this into improper. Okay? Let's make it improper. Bakit naging positive? Dahil sa straight line na ito. Okay? Dahil sa straight line na ito, it's called the absolute value. Ang ibig sabihin ng absolute value, kahit anong isolve mo sa loob, pag nag-absolute value na, magiging positive siya. Okay? So ito, normal groupings lang ito. So it doesn't change the value of positive or negative. So let's turn this into an improper fraction. All you have to do is 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is equal to 7 over 4. Yes, Lay, I made one similar question on my TikTok. Go check my TikTok. I posted a TikTok kaninang 2 a.m. So if you haven't seen that, guys, I posted a question similar to the one emailed by UP. So if you're an UPCAT taker, UP emailed you questionnaire, and then I answered number 1 there. Okay, did you see that? Did you see my TikTok? Built in pala. Yes, it's built in. Positive siya. Okay? Not yet. Go check my TikTok. I answered number 1. So, how do we answer this again, guys? All you have to do is get the LCD. Pwede natin gawin yung butterfly method, pero for me, mas mahirap yun kasi malaki na yung number. Alam natin na 2 and 4 has an LCD. What is the LCD of 2 and 4? It's very easy. What's the LCD of 2 and 4? It's 4. Good job, Uriel and Bother Me. Okay. Bakit 4? Kasi 2, when you multiply it to 2, it becomes 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And LCD is the least common multiple. So, how do we turn this into 4? Gawin natin 4 ang kanyang ilalim or the denominator. So, to turn this into 4, minultiply natin siya by 2. So, yung taas, imumultiply din natin by 2. That's why everybody's saying it's negative 14. Gets or not gets? So, kaya siya naging negative 14. Here, you multiply 2. Here, you multiply 2. Okay? Gets. Thank you, Luan. Thank you, Mama Mo Blue. Thank you, Kat. Lagi ako na una sa sagot, pero di na very good. Hindi ko nakikita, Danny. Very good ka din. Good job, Mark. Yes, okay, continue. We didn't do butterfly. What we did is LCD. Okay? I mean, gumagana naman lahat ng methods na yan, guys. Pero, nagmamadali tayo sa UPCAT, okay? So, pabilisan yan. If yung katabi mo mas mabilis sa'yo, mas madami siyang matatama. You only have 70 minutes ata for 60 questions. Now, let's add it. 7 over 4. Since over 4 na sila pareho, thank you, G. Thanks for the coffee. Since over 4 na sila pareho, pwede na natin i-add yung taas. Mangungopya sa UPCAT. Huwag kayo mangungopya sa UPCAT, baka hindi matalino yung katabi nyo. Dinadamay pa kayo, diba? So, negative 14 plus 7 is equal to negative 7 over 4. Bakit? This is negative, so that's just 7 minus 14. So, we put those two together. 13 over 5 Tsaka, multiply ba sila? Or plus? Plus daw sila. Plus 7 over 4 negative. So, minus pala siya dahil negative siya. 7, yes. Kaya siya naging 14. Good job, Komi. So, how do we do this? Let's do the butterfly method if you want. Pero baka mahaba siya, guys. Mahaba ba yung butterfly? Let's do LCD. Yes, the LCD. Talino ko dito. Sana ganito rin sa pag-ibig. Hoy, wag mo na. Okay. LCD is 20, guys. Bakit 20? Because that's 5 times 4, which is 20. Okay? Wag na mag-butterfly, yes. Hindi kailangan yung butterfly method dito, guys. So, let's just multiply. 20 divided by 5 is 4 times this is equal to 52. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35 over 20. Actually, butterfly method din pala yun. Same lang yung ginawa natin. So, what is this on top? That's 15 plus 2 is 17 over 20, which is letter D. Bakit letter D? Nagkalituan tayo dito. So, sabi, diba, pag sagot mo, sasabihin mo, nasan si 17? Wala si 17 dito. Okay? So, yung instinct mo dyan, sasagot mo yung B, right? You're gonna say, oh, it's B, because B is closest to 17. But, as you can see, this letter D, when you simplify this 85 over 100, yung lowest term niya is 17 over 20, which is why the answer is letter D. No face cam today. People wanted the maroon blue book, so I have to use my phone for the maroon blue book. Third question. Yes, it's a trick question. Pause po, paihi lang. Umihi na kayo. Okay. Can you try to simplify D? Okay, we simplify D daw. 85 over 100. You divide both by 5. 85 divided by 5 is equal to 17. And 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. So 17 over 20 is the same. Okay? Gets, say gets if gets. And we shall move on. Say gets if gets. Okay, gets pa SS. Okay. Here is the SS. Comment SSD when done. Kaso nagpo-focus siya mag-isa. So, wait lang. I shall hold it down for you. There. Kita nyo na ba? Screenshot. Kasama ba slope and intercept? Yes. Inaral natin yun, diba? I live every day, guys. But, yeah. I live every day. So, if ngayon pa lang kayo nag-aaral for the UPCAT, you still have 12 days left. Okay? So, you better start studying. My advice for you, since I only teach math, is you study other subjects on your own throughout the day and then come here on the live at 8 p.m. Is that good? Until what time today? Maybe 10 or 10:30. We'll see. Paano nagkaroon ng 20? Dinivide natin by 5. Saan yung 20? This is the LCD. Okay? LCD. You're cooked? No, it's okay. It's okay. Ako na una nagsagot. Good job, R Web. Everybody, sa inyo lang una yan. Alam niyo yung pag nagmamain kayo, sinasabi na, seller screen po tayo. Seller screen. Hindi ko kita yung mga sagot nyo, be. Feeler ka, Jose. Hala, huwag kayo mag-away, be. How do you know na i-divide by 5 yung 85 over 100? Because kita naman na hindi pa siya lowest term. Remember, we learned divisibility, and we know, pag 5 yung dulo, divisible siya by 5. Pag 0 yung dulo, divisible siya by 5. So, hindi pa siya. Yes. My appreciation thing. Anong topic? This is algebra? Question mark? I think it's algebra. Hello to the 700 people. If you're new here, make sure to follow. Why are you here if you're not followed? Char. Thank you, Avia. Pa-SS, okay. Comment SSD when done, and then we shall move on to the next number. Let's get to 35k likes for the next number. Ha! We are a live streamer. Live streamer yarn. Like the live, everybody. Turuan mo kung mahalin. Hindi yan natuturo, guys. Tsa. Kahit UP na lang pumili sa akin, wag na lalaki. What if babae? Tsa. SS ulit yung divisibility. I will post this on YouTube, guys. So, just make sure to, we're at 32k. Make sure to like the live so we get to 35k. Crazy hangin effect. Why? Do you hear the wind? full live. Yes, I post the full lives on YouTube, guys. If you're new here, I'll show you my YouTube later. Okay, I'll show you my YouTube. It's just Julia Manjola. Okay, let's continue. Next number. Pasipo, 35K. Okay, next number na daw. Number 7. Okay, number 7. 256 is 12.5% of what number? Okay, so if you're new here, I tell everybody that you have to get, first we learn how to get the decimal, okay? How do we get the decimal of this? For the percent, pretend 90%. To get its decimal, you have to move 90 to, diba? You have to move its decimal place 2 to the right. That will be 0.9, okay? 0.9. So, what would the decimal of this be? Let's turn this into a decimal. What is this? Give me the answer. I shall praise the first person. Okay, good job, Gijik. Yes. Good job, Gijik. The answer is 0.125. Okay? Ang ginawa lang natin, inusog natin yung decimal places 2 to the right. Okay. Bakit natin siya inuusog 2 to the right? Do we need to know that? Basically, what a percent is, 90%. Ang meaning ng percent, cent means 100, okay? That means 100. So, ito yung hundreds place. Ginawa natin siyang hundreds place. Kaya naging 0.9. Okay? Next. Yes, always by 2 if percent. Okay? So, this is 0.25% of what number? 0.25x is equal to 256. Now, can someone tell me, to the OGs out there, what is 0.125 in fraction? What is the fraction? Who is the first to answer? What is the fraction of 0.125? Good job, sun emoji. The sun emoji came first. Sun emoji said it's 1/8. Okay? Bakit siya 1/8? There's no explanation. Just memorize the simple fractions. Okay? You have to memorize the simple fractions. Potato Man, that's technically correct, but 125 over 1,000 can be what do you call that? Simplified into 1/8. Okay? When you simplify this, it's equal to 1/8. So if you're new here, Potato Man, I mean, you weren't new here, I saw you yesterday. But you guys, if you are new here, make sure to memorize this. Okay? Comment SSD. Memorize all of these fractions. So as you can see, 1/8 is here. It's equal to 0.125. Bye, calculator. Manonood na lang daw siya ng replay. Thank you, Fio. I've heard that. Yeah, kaboses daw si Mikaelin. Nakakatulala boses mo. Thank you, Jelta. Okay, comment SSD. Make sure to memorize all of this. How to hide the comments? Just swipe left. Okay. Paano i-clear screen? Swipe left, guys. So, thank you for following. If you're new here, welcome to the 900 people. So, guys, if I ask you, okay, I'll ask you right now, are you done screenshotting? I shall look away, and then I'm gonna give you a percent, and then you tell me what it is in fraction. Okay? 3 point... Wait lang, wala pa. 37.5%. What is it in fraction? What is 37.5% in fraction? All you have to do, turn it into a decimal, and then after you turn it into a decimal, you turn it into a fraction. Wait, I saw an answer. The answer is Hertrudes. Congrats, Hertrudes. You won for this one. It's 3/8. Bakit 3/8? Gawin natin siyang decimal. Magiging 0.375. Yung 0.375, pag tinignan mo dito, it's 3/8. Okay? 3/8. Hala, ang competitive nila. Okay, let's continue. How to do decimal to fraction. If you memorize this side, if you memorize this one, kaya nyo na siya hanapin on the other side. But if wala siya dito, okay, for example, let's give an example. If the example is 0.120, 65. What would this be? All you have to do is think about how many places this is. This is the 10th place. This is the hundreds place. Sa decimal and this is thousands place. So like what Potato Man did kanina, you just copy the number, and since nasa thousands place siya, you put it over 1,000. And then from there is simplify mo na lang siya. How do we simplify this? Since we can see that both are divisible by 5, i-divide mo siya. Good job, ID Hernandez. Yes. Saan niyo po nakuha yung mga ganyang tips? I went to a review center when I was applying for the UPCAT, and I studied for the UPCAT 6 months before the UPCAT. Tapos, na-cancel yung UPCAT, and now I never got to use the knowledge, yes. So, divide this by 5. What's the answer? I actually don't know. Somebody tell me. What happens when you simplify this? Let's divide them by 5. Yes, I went to Brain Train, but I heard hindi na siya worth it kasi mahal na siya ngayon. Nung time ko guys, 5K lang yung Brain Train. Sabi nila 11K na siya ngayon. So, you don't have to go to Brain Train. There are 12 days left. 33 over 200. Good job, everybody. 200 ba or 100? Good job, ID Hernandez. Let's continue. ID Hernandez got it correct. What program if want mag-finance or business sa ADBU? Maganda yung, if you like math, you can do BS Applied Math in Finance. Pero sobrang hirap nun. Okay. Let's continue. Asa na tayo? So, 1/8 yung fraction niya. Ano ibig sabihin yan? So, 1 over 8x is equal to 256. Okay? 1 over 8x is equal to 256. So, paano natin tatanggalin yung 1/8 dito? Kailangan natin siya i-transpose. Okay? Pag natatranspose yung number, mababaligtad siya. So, magiging 8 over 1, which is just multiply it by 8. Okay? Just multiply it by 8. And then, that will be 256 times 8 is equal to... What's that equal to? Yes, I posted on YouTube. It's okay, Mary. You can sleep if you want. Ay, may pasok na pala kayo, guys. So, yes, the answer is 2,048. If you want, guys, if nagmamadali kayo, a good way to easily do this is just 250 times 8. Okay? Since magkakalayo naman yung choices, bakit hindi yung sign nag-change? Nag-change lang yung sign pag plus siya, okay? Pag plus or minus. Do you have a tutor you like to watch? For you, what's your name? The Arabic name, Satellites. Just check my YouTube. I do other reviews there. Yes. Or tignan lang po yung 6 times 8. Oh yeah. If you look at 6 times 8, that'll give you 48. So, ito na yung 48. Which is letter B. Okay? Letter B. Thank you for following. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We do this every day. Tricky daw yung choices. Bob! What do you mean? There's some more water na?
No, I mean...
It's 10 p.m. pa. You have 20 minutes.
Di said wala na daw.
Oh. I let Dad... Oh, I stay with you. Okay, go. He was gonna do his essay. Bye. Okay. Let's continue. Zoom out now. Okay. Here is the zoom out. And then, let's get to 50k likes for the next number. While you SS. Okay? Comment SSD. And then we shall do the next number. Pa-upload? Yes. I'll upload this on... I'll upload it tonight if I can. Want to pass the UPCAT kahit basic math, nahirapan ako. Blue Jean, it's okay if you don't understand math. I have a lot of reviewers. Naka 20 replays na ata tayo. So what you can do, watch all of them if you want. I do it slowly and pinapaulit ko din. So if hindi nyo gets, guys, pwede nyo paulitin because I'm not your math teacher and I won't get mad if you ask me to repeat the question. What are the best books for review? I have a lot of free reviewers. If you're new here, it's on my IG. So no need for you to buy. There is no best reviewer, guys. That is just a marketing scheme. If they say MSA is the best reviewer or whatever that is, they just want to take your money, okay? Yes, good job, Nico. Free reviewers are the best ones. What time kayo nagla-live? Usually 8 p.m. But I'll try earlier since may pasok na yung mga tao. iPad giveaway. Guys, libre lang din to sa akin because I had a scholarship, okay? My iPad is free and I worked hard for it. So, if you get a scholarship, you can work hard and get an iPad as well. Thank you. What program if want mag-corp job? You can get my course, which is Management Engineering in Ateneo. It's an honors course. 50 na ba? Yes, 50 na. Let's continue. Management Engineering is a good course for corporate. Okay? Just check it out. Look at the course. Yes. Or you can chat me on IG or TikTok. I reply. Factor. Completely. Okay, let's write that down first para dito na tayo titingin. So, yes, let's write it down. 6A4 plus 11A3 minus 18A minus 33. So what we notice here, guys, is the first thing you can do is look at the choices, okay? Let's look at the choices. So, I think out of here, hindi to factor completely pag may A sa ilalim. So, mas maganda if ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So, it's usually C or D in this case, okay? So, now, we have to see kung which of these will form this. Okay, so let's FOIL method it. If hindi C yung sagot, okay, D daw. Try natin yung D. Pag hindi D yung sagot, matic C yung sagot. Okay? So, let's do 6A cubed minus 3. And then, FOIL method lang natin, A plus 11. So, FOIL method, 6A cubed, that will be 6A raised to 4. You have to multiply it here. And then, we multiply this. It'll give you plus 66A cubed. And then, multiply. Oh, I feel like this is not it. Wait, this is it? This is negative 3A. Tama ba? Mali ata. And then, this is negative 33. So, it's not letter D. It's not letter D. Shall we try C? Let's try C. A3 minus 3 times 6A plus 11. So, this will give you 6A raised to 4. Why not factor by grouping? We can do that, but it's easier to work backwards from the choices, okay? Because ang kalaban mo sa UPCAT ay oras. I mean, for me, mahirap siya i-factor, okay? So, if I just look at the choices, you can trial and error. If magaling ka, edi you can do it in the way you want to do it. Plus 11 A cubed minus 18A minus 33. So, the answer is letter C. C for Christ, guys. Kanina puro D yung sagot nyo, ha? Sino yung kinopya nyo dyan? Don't copy answers. That's not good. Not good. You know what you should do, guys? You go to the UPCAT, you bring a yum burger, okay? When you bring a yum burger to the UPCAT, it will smell very good, and your seatmate will look at you like this. And then this is you eating the yum burger. And then you're so happy. And then your seatmate will be distracted. And then, yes. Ulit daw? Okay, ulit sabi ni Hana. Ba't mo nililipat kung burger ang tingin? So, madidistract siya, guys. Sino ba si Hana? Okay. I'll bring yum burger. Yes, yum burger sales after this review. Thank you for following. If you're new here, make sure to follow, guys. I'll give you tips, okay? You bring a yum burger to the exam, you will pass the exam. My brother took the UPCAT last year and he brought a yum burger. Tapos, if you look at I made a TikTok about my brother coming, and then somebody commented, nakatabi daw nila yung kapatid ko, tas na-distract daw sila sa yum burger. So, effective siya, guys. Na-distract daw yung katabi ng kapatid ko. And guess what? My brother passed. So, yes. Birthday ni Freddy. What are we saying? Okay, stock knowledge lang daw yan. Next question. Sabi nila, pwede din magdala ka chicharon, pero baka palabasin ka since it's noisy. Chicharon and suka, imagine that. Like, it's already noisy and then it already stinks. Like, pa-SS here. SS. So, mali yung D. Tinry natin si D and mali siya. And then, ito tama. Katabi ko nagdala ng chips. Anong chips, Nico? Chicharon is crazy. Mali yan si D. C nga yung sagot, be. Tinasting lang natin. Pwede ba kumain? Yes, pwede kumain during exams, guys. I think people usually bring like skyflakes or like something small. Or like a sandwich. Let's do the next one. Okay, radicals na naman tayo. We are back to radicals. This is so scary. Dala ako chocolate. Yes, chocolate is good. Also, guys, another good thing is like if you eat chocolate the night while you're reviewing and then you eat chocolate during the exam, it's like your taste buds will associate with your review and then it will recall during the exam. I don't know if that's true, but I saw it somewhere. Okay, so So you eat chocolate or like eat the same candy, the same flavored candy on while you're reviewing, and when you eat it during the exam, you'll remember everything you reviewed, okay? I don't know where I found that out, but it's somewhere there. Saan ang RRL? Source ako. Source me. Okay, let's continue. Tutulog na. Good night, Sel. Oop. Is everybody gonna sleep? Let's end at 10, okay? So make sure to follow. We're gonna end at 10 since may pasok na kayo. So alam ko mag-scroll pa kayo after nito. And then we end at 10 and then I might make a TikTok na lang regarding one of the UPCAT questions. Is that okay? I'll make a TikTok regarding one of the UPCAT questions. So make sure to follow so that you stay notified. Number 9. I think we'll end on number 9 since mahaba siya. So this is a square root and square root of 3, 192, x 15, y 9, z 20. Okay? So we learned about radicals yesterday, but we shall go through it again. Okay? What do we have to do? The first thing is wag muna natin pansinin si square root. Okay? Wag niyo pansinin si square root. Tingnan muna natin si cube root. Cube root of 192, x 15, y 9, z 20. The first thing you have to do, guys, is factor this out. What are possible factors of 192, right? Jerem, you don't have to skip anymore because I'm gonna teach you how to solve this. Okay, let's do normal radicals first. Let's do a normal radical and then say this is 28, right? How do we factor this muna? Itong 28, ang gagawin mo dyan is this can be 2 and 14 and this can be 2 and 7, right? So as you can see, this is equal to 2, 2, and 7. So when you write that down, it's 2 times 2 times 7. Now, when you look at the radical, as I mentioned yesterday, the radical is a gate, okay? This gate, pwede lang siya daanan based on the guard, which is the index. This index is number 2 kasi square root siya. So, square root, pag yung square root, pag 2 yung index niya, ibig sabihin, by pairs lang sila pwede lumabas. So pair yung 2, so lalabas siya, magiging isa na lang siya, okay? Yung 7, wala siyang kapares. Parang ikaw. Ha! We made the same joke yesterday. So, yung 2, matatanggal na yung 2 dito. Yung 7, matitira sa loob. So, the answer is 2 square root of 7. Gee, thanks. You made the same joke yesterday. Yes, I made the same joke yesterday, okay? Ba't ka ganyan ulit? Every day, okay? Baka may mga bago eh. They wanna get hurt as well. Yung sound parang motor. I think it's my fan. Is it loud? I'm sorry. Binasag sarili niya. Okay, let's do another example. Julia Cor. San galing 28? Wala, example lang to, guys. Okay, so ayaw na nila ng 28. Let's go to the main example, right? So, ito yung gate. Ano yung guard niya? Yung guard niya is 3. Okay? 3 yung guard niya. So, dapat 3 silang lalabas. So, ano sila? Truple. Joke lang, guys. Okay, so what is this? 3 and 64. Okay, gusto niya 3 and 64. Yung 64, anong pwedeng mangyari dito? Magiging 4 and 4 and 4. Okay? That's 4 cube. Okay? Pwede din siyang 8 and 8. Pero gusto ko 4, 4, 4. Pero pwede din yung 8 and 8. Okay? It doesn't matter. So, masasolve nyo pa rin siya. But I wanna go by 4 and 4 and 4. So, as you can see, etong 4 and 4 and 4, pwede na ba sila lumabas ng gate or no? Can they get out of the gate since trio yung ano? Say yes or no? Opo, pwede na daw. Pwede na sila lumabas, okay? So, ilabas na natin siya. Let's put it out here in orange. That will become 4. Now, for exponents naman and variables like this, how do we put them out, okay? So, all you have to do is look at the exponent. Yung exponent niya ay 15. Ang gagawin mo dyan, i-divide mo by this index. Okay? Not minus, you have to divide. So, 15 divided by 3 will give you 5. So, pag walang remainder, wala nang matitira sa loob. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, ilabas natin si x raised to 5. Now, let's do the next. Y raised to 9. What will it be when it's put out? Yes. Good job, Shiro 4693. It will become y cubed. Now, what about z raised to 20? Okay, so you divide 20 by 3. that will give you 18. Okay, so whole number kailangan yung sagot. Whole number ang sagot. Ilang 3 ang nasa 20? 6. Good job. Let's see. Good job, Malachite. Malachite, said it first. Okay, 20. 20. So, anong mangyayari sa remainder 2? Yes, remainder 2, matitira sila sa loob. Good job, E, Jupiter, and Luan. So, the remainder 2, 6, diba, yung lalabas. Lalabas si 6, magiging Z, 6. So, yung matitira sa loob, guys, ibalik natin yung cube root. So, nawala na to si 4, natanggal na siya. Yung matitira dito is 3, okay? So, ibalik natin si 3 dito kasi naiwan siya sa loob. Yung x and y, wala nang naiwan sa loob. And si z, merong naiwan, which is z2. Z squared. Okay. Now, may nakalimutan pa tayo, okay? Kinalimutan natin si square root. So, ibalik na natin si square root. So, may bagong gate, diba? Paglabas nila ng bahay, may gate pa rin yung subdivision. Ang corny. Okay. So, may gate pa rin. Ito yung bahay. Ito yung, may gate pa rin sa, mayaman sila eh. May subdivision sila. Nasa subdivision sila. Wala kasi kaming ganun. Okay, let's continue. So, itong 4, guys. Pag nilabas mo yan, that's 2 and 2. So, pwede na siya lumabas by pair. Diba? Thank you, Sato, for the gift. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Gated community, sana all. Cynthia Villarhu. Yes, I have YouTube, Hipon. My YouTube has all the lives. Okay? So, pwede na natin ilabas yung, saan nanggaling yung 6 and 3 sa Z? Hindi, 6 lang yan. Cube root ito. Okay? Sa cube root itong 6, yung 3. Hi. Okay. So, pwede natin ilabas si 2. Magiging 2 sa labas. So, wala na tong 4. Yung x raised to 5, guys. Ilan yung pwedeng lumabas na x? What is the exponent of x? Since 2 yung index dito, 2 yung index dito, 5 divided by 2 will give you 2. Good job. Good job, Delta. Wow, sumasagot na si Delta. And then, what about y, guys? Ilang y yung pwedeng lumabas? 3 divided by 2 will give you, yes, good job, Almaki. Just 1 y. And then, lastly, z raised to 6. Don't look at this. Z raised to 6 will give you, the boy Romeo said 3. So, that is Z raised to 3. So, anong matitira sa loob niyan? Ibalik natin. Anong matitira? Yung x, may naiwan na x, and may naiwan na y. Tapos, ibalik natin tong cube root ng 3z squared. Now, let's look for this in the answers. Okay? Let's look in the answers. 2x squared, yz cubed, 6, wala ito. Ha? Okay. 6 root of 3x cube. Hindi, ayan. Ito ata. Bakit may naiwan na x? Try natin to. Double. Okay, so see, the answer is not here yet. You know why? Because what we have to do is, wala pa dito yung sagot, guys. So, ang ginawa niya, either pinagsama niya sa 6 or 5, okay? So, I will explain how did they get that, okay? Kaya ba ng 1 minute yan? Honestly, hindi yan kaya ng 1 minute, guys. So, if nakita niyo to and feel niyo magagawin niyo siya in 10 minutes, skip it na lang. But I feel like if sanay na kayo, mabilis lang siya gawin, okay? Skip na lang daw. Okay. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kasi kailangan natin ayusin daw to. Ipagsama natin sila. Gusto niya, gibain yung bahay. Gawin na siyang open house. Open house. Okay. How do we do that? Okay. So, if you didn't know, what is x raised to 1/2, guys? So, when there is a fraction in the exponent, that is equal to square root of 2. Okay? That is equal to square root of 2. I'll just teach you this and then we can leave. Yes. Pag fraction, yung exponent niya, magiging root siya. Okay? For another example, what's x raised to 2/3? Okay? Pag ganyan naman, fraction, yung ilalim niya, may root siya agad. Okay? Lagay na natin dito si x. And then yung root niya, yung index niya is this 3. Yung nasa ilalim will be the guard sa gate. And then yung nasa taas will be the exponent here. Okay? Do we get what we did there? Yung nasa ilalim will be the guard here. Yung nasa taas will be the root on top. Okay? My tablet is a Samsung S9. Yes. Okay, so going back to this thing, we can write this one as 3z squared raised to what, guys? Kung cube root ito, raised to what siya? Raised to what? One third. Yes, 1/3 Kylie Villanueva said. 1/3. Now, meron pang xy dito. Tapos, yung square root na ito, guys. What is the square root? Pag square root naman, ano magiging exponent niya? Why daw? Because, as we mentioned kanina, x raised to 1/3 is equal to cube root of 3. Okay, bakit? Kasi kung ano yung nasa ilalim dito, yes, the answer is 1/2. Good job, C and Rishi. Okay, so this is raised to 1/2. Now, what we can do is we can distribute them, right? Hala, nasira na yung page. Look, guys. Okay, wait. Tignan muna natin yung choices. Ang ginawa niya is ginawa niyang square root of 6 or square root of 5. So, yung choice natin is square root of 6 or square root of 5. So, paano naging square root of 6 or square root of 5? That's a good question. Okay? What they did, I think, is binalik nila sa loob. Bumalik sa bahay. 'Di ba? Okay. Wait lang. Napuputol ang page. Ayaw ng notebook. Okay. I'll show you what they did. Mamaya na natin titignan. Sample lang yun. Okay? Let's go back here, right? So, lumabas kanina si X and Y. Lumabas si X and Y ng bahay, 'di ba? Tapos nung nahuli sila ng guard, hindi na sila pwede lumabas sa square root. Sabi ng guard, bumalik daw sila sa loob ng bahay, guys. So, if we're gonna put them back in the house, anong mangyayari sa x? Kung cube root to, pag linabas siya, magiging x lang siya. What would it be when it goes back inside? What is this drama? X and Y biting the curve, 4K. X cube, tama. Okay, so, sabi ng guard ng subdivision, bumalik daw sila sa loob ng bahay. So, pinabalik sila sa loob ng bahay. That would be x cube. Totorpahin. X cube. Si y naman, guys, what will happen to y? What will happen to y? It will be y cube. Good job. Y cube. Tapos copy natin this si 3. Lagay natin sa harap. Same lang yan. And z squared. Okay? So, how do we turn this naman into a... Hindi ko na kaya. Last na to, guys. Tiisin nyo. Unti na lang. Okay. So, first, let's do the cube root. Okay? Ano yung cube root niya, guys? Ano yung exponent if cube root siya? So, haba, it's okay, guys. We're learning about the concept. Good job. 1/3, sabi ni Kylie Villanueva. Good job, Kylie. Now, what about the square root? What is the square root? What is its exponent? Pag mahaba, yun ang sagot. Lahat siya mahaba, paano yun? Mahaba lahat, 1/2. Good job, Luan and Mart Kives and nasa mid. Okay, so it's 1/2. Now, what do we know about exponents raised to an exponent? When an exponent is raised to an exponent, what happens to both of them? You can multiply them, right? For example, x squared raised to 3 is equal to x raised to 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. Multiply. You lost focus? It's okay. I'll post this on my YouTube, okay? So, what's 1/3 times 1/2, guys? What's 1/3 times 1/2? It's 1/6. Yes, Fiona, it's 1/6. So, this is 1/6. Gawin na natin siyang 1/6. Can I just delete this? Okay. I'll make it 1/6. Okay? And now na 1/6 na siya, guys. Ibalik na natin siya sa root form. Okay? Sabi niya, gawin na natin siyang bahay ulit. Ibalik na natin siya sa bahay. Thank you, Waluigi. So, what will be the guard? Ano yung guard ng bahay, guys? Square root of, what's the root? What's the number here? Yes, 6. I'm not Ash, nasa mid, isa. 6 na yung bahay. So, nagtaas na yung root nila. And then, i-copy lang natin yung nasa loob. Copy lang natin yung nasa loob. Tapos, ito pa rin yung nasa labas. Okay? C 2x plus y plus c. So, that's 2x squared yz cubed. Now, let's look if nandito na finally ang ating sagot. 2x squared yz cubed and 6 root of 3x cubed y cubed z squared. Oh my god, we did that, guys. I don't have the sound effects, but we did that all together. It's letter B. You see, we did that all together. Last na yung 10. Ubus na ata brain cells nila. We did that. Woo! Cheer, guys. Let's clap. I don't have the sound effect right now. Woo! Okay, wait. I want to find the sound effect. I think it's here. It's not here, guys. Sorry. Good job. Totropahin daw. How to do 10? Okay, I'll put up a poll and then we'll see if people want to do 10 or want to go to sleep. Because everybody has school, right? So, we care about democracy. Again, make sure to register to vote. Char. Okay, sad for and happy for number 10. Sad for and happy for number 10. Sad we should go to sleep. Happy for number 10. Ano ba yung number 10? In mathematics? Okay. Number 10. Registered. Make sure to register to vote, everybody. Number 10. Okay, they're more happy. Wow, sinipag sila bigla. Pagkatapos ng sobrang habang number na yun. Okay, happy daw is 200 right now. Thank you for voting. Keep voting, everybody. You still have time to vote. Make sure to register. Also, if you're new here, make sure to follow. Also, what was I gonna say? Oh, Ateneo. Apply for Ateneo, everybody. Okay, I will see you there. And I will see you there. Okay. Pwede ba i-multiply both index? Okay. So, the thing about this number, okay, is we have to learn about... Tapos na ba? Okay, nanalo na si Happy. How to apply for ASET? Just search on Google Ateneo application and education.ph will come up. Okay? So, let's do number 10. Number 10. Burger King foot lettuce. Haha, that's an old meme. Let's do number 10. Number 10. Now, condo, no. Right now, I'm in my home because it's my break time. Okay, number 10. So, we know that I is an imaginary number, okay? It's an imaginary number that's equal to negative square root of 1. Why is this an imaginary number? Kasi sa square root, bawal maging negative sa loob. Okay? Thank you for everybody who gave a gift. Okay. Let's continue. So, may pattern tong CI, okay? May pattern ang kanyang I raised to something. And to know the pattern, we have to start with I raised to 1. What's I raised to 1, guys? That's equal to I, okay? I raised to 1 is just equal to I, which is just equal to square root of negative 1. Now, what is I raised to 2? What's I raised to 2? Square root of negative 1 times square root of negative 1 will give you, what's the answer? Good job, and Cheng Kun Hang. It's equal to negative 1. Bakit negative 1? When you multiply two square roots, mawawala yung square root, matitira yung nasa loob. Okay? So the answer is negative 1. Now let's look at number 3. I is equal, what is this multiplied to this? Negative 1 multiplied to square root of negative 1 will give you negative this or negative I. Yes, it's negative I. Negative I or negative square root of negative 1. Okay? And lastly, let's get I, this is I, raised to 4 is equal to what is this multiplied by this? Negative 1. That is equal to negative of negative 1, which is equal to 1. Good job, Bay and Potato Man and Jupiter. Okay, good job. Potato Girl is back. Say hi to Potato Man. Potato Man is here. Okay, let's continue. Halang galing nyo, guys. Sabi ni Rico. Okay, guys. So, as you can see, this is I, negative 1, negative I, and 1. Okay? So, yung pattern dito, guys, is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ito lang yung possible outcomes when you get an exponent of I raised to 5. Kasi when you get I raised to 5, mamumultiply lang siya ulit sa negative 1, which is equal lang to this. Okay? It's equal to this. Okay? So, what is the technique to get this? Okay? So, ang technique dito is yung exponent, divide it by 4. Divide it by 4. What is the remainder of this, guys? 5 divided by 4, what's the remainder? What's the remainder? Remainder 1. Remainder 1, so you look at raised to 1. Raised to 1 is equal to I, so I yung sagot. Okay, for this is remainder 0. Pag remainder 0. Okay, I'll give another example. I raised to 35. Ay, tama. What's I raised to 35 divided by 4? What's I raised to 35 divided by 4? What's the remainder pala? What's the remainder? The remainder is remainder 3. Good job, May JS. Remainder 3, which means it's negative I. Okay? Negative I siya, titignan mo. So now let's go to I raised to 99. I raised to 99, what divided by 4? So 98, pwede maging 98 is divisible by 4, I think. Tama ba? Or 96. 96 pala. 3 ba yung remainder niya? 3 yung remainder niya ata. The remainder is 3. So the answer is negative I. So the answer is negative I, which is letter A. Okay, letter A, which is negative I. So screenshot this if you want, pero you can always solve it. Solve the pattern. This is always the pattern. Okay, last number na yon kasi pagod na daw sila. And may pasok pa kayo bukas. SS, okay. SS this, guys. SS. Shoutout kay Hana. Sino ba si Hana? Haka, hindi. Okay. I might post another TikTok, okay? So, yung reviewer na sinend ni UP, gagawa ako ng TikTok about it. But I will change the question. I will change it kasi bawal daw siya bawal siya ipakita sa TikTok, okay? I shall change the question. Yes. Oh, okay. How to apply for Ateneo? Basically, go to the education.ph site, make an account, and then you can apply for Ateneo there. Okay? And then, dun para siyang UPCAT website, diba? The same way you applied for UPCAT, gana rin siya. Nakakagana mag-aral. Thank you, VCXCY. Avail sila. Yes. Open na Ateneo, guys. Kaka-open niya lang. And it's free if you're from a public school. So, if you're from a public school, make sure to apply para makapasok kayo sa Ateneo. Sobrang ganda dun, guys. Syempre, kasi nandun ako. Maganda yung school. Syempre, kasi nagbabayad yung mga tao dun. SS number 9. Okay, this is number 9. Mahaba siya. Add mo essay tips. Make sure to talk about yourself and not about your academic achievements. So, last time, if you weren't here, we read out my Ateneo essay and it was very cringe, but people said it was okay. I mean, when I made it at grade 12, I thought it was really nice. But now that I think about it, it's very cringe. Okay. But yeah, it's about how I gained confidence, because before I didn't have confidence. Then I joined the pageant, and then I won the pageant in school. And then, yes, something like that. Okay. Okay na ba? Hala, wala yung focus niya. You guys can leave, okay? Make sure to say bye and make sure to follow so you can come back tomorrow. Okay? Thank you for following. Make sure to follow so you can come back tomorrow. Kabosses, thank you, Salvatore. My Admo essay was a trauma dump. Is that armpit hair? Hello, armpit hair. Bye, Luna. Bye, Nikto. Bye, Gigi. What time tomorrow? Maybe 7 or 8 p.m. as usual. And then we end at 10 because may pasok na yung mga tao. And for sure, magti-TikTok pa yan bago matulog. Bye, Dea. I might post a TikTok again later, guys. So make sure to like it. Also, when you leave, go check my account up here. And then like the TikTok. Thank care. Check it out. I put Question number 9 pa SS. Here's number 9. Hala guys, nasira ko na yung book. Alam nyo ba, hindi ko to binubuksan nung nag-review ako kasi inaalagaan ko siya. But it's okay. I'll just tape it up. ACET application. Okay, I'll try to make a tutorial. Pero easy, it's easy lang naman. We can do that now. Sana all inaalagaan. Number 10 solution. Let me screenshot. Yeah. Thank you, VCXCY. Wait. Oh no, it died. Okay. Here's the solution for number 10. Number 10 solution. Pati book na give up real. Is Ateneo generous? Yes. Ateneo, guys, has 25% scholars sa entire population. Even Nico got a scholarship, which he worked hard for. BSME is my course. It's management engineering. So if you're new here, I didn't know what I wanted to be when I went into college, when I was applying pala. So I wanted a flexible course, and they said industrial engineering is a good course. So I was applying to industrial engineering kasi flexible siya, pwede kahit anong field. And then, when sa Ateneo walang industrial engineering, similar lang siya sa management engineering. So I picked management engineering in Ateneo. Tapos, nagulat ako kasi I got a scholarship. So instead of going to UP, I went to Ateneo. Wag kayo mag-industrial, why? YG thinks. Hello, Jacob. It's okay, Jacob. May pasok ka na. Pwede ba mag-base na lang if even or odd? No, dapat it's either remainder is equal to 1, 2, 3, or 0. Okay? Hindi pwede. What do you suggest for someone na from ABM? ABM, if you don't want any calculus, don't take an honors course. ME has a lot of calculus. So, actually, madaming nag-drop na mga mga ABM. Pero, kaya naman siya aralin if masipag ka. Yung prob na pinost ko, na-explain ko na siya din. What's the... Okay. Do you have a scholarship? Yes, I am a full scholar in Ateneo. Yes, required ng extracurricular. Will I post this live later? I'll try, okay? I'll try to post the backlogs as fast as I can, okay? ACET is easy. My brother said it was harder than the UPCAT, so baka depende. For my brother, he said it was harder. Story kayo sa IG kapag mag-live? Okay, I'll try. I'm more active on TikTok though. Sige, I'll try to story. Sorry. For you, for my brother. I didn't take both because it was the pandemic when I applied, so it was just based on grades for me. Your DOST. I passed DOST, guys, but I didn't take it because my course, unfortunately, is not included in DOST's list. Pero pag industrial engineering, kakasama siya sa DOST. So, medyo nagsisi ako dun. But also, DOST has the return of service thing. So, if gusto mo mag-ibang bansa agad after graduation, wag na kayo mag-DOST scholarship. What program do you suggest for someone from ABM? Aside from business related, actually you can go into anything. You can do like social science courses, I feel. If ayaw mo mag-math, anything math, what can you do? Business. That is a good question. Your strand doesn't matter, guys. As long as you study hard in the course you're gonna take, that's what matters. Bye, Zaidos. My course is management engineering. Is it okay to take civil engineering? Civil engineering is kinda... Bye, Miyoi. Civil engineering is very hard. So, yeah. How do you study science? You have to study science by memorizing and writing down notes. So, I can't really teach science because it's more of a study and then you'll understand. Parang ganun. Is it worth it to be a nurse? Not here in the Philippines, for sure. They are overworked and underpaid, so don't do that in the Philippines. Hurry. Mas mahirap po ba ACET? Nico, alin mas mahirap for you? Is it UPCAT or ACET? Is it okay to take BS Math in college? Yes, if you're good in maths. But the thing about math in college is it's more on theory, okay? So you'll have to be prove ganun. Prove epsilon is equal to delta. And then it's so boring. Like, we did that in first year and basta ganun pag math. Hindi siya about algebra or what. Kahit masaya yung math for me. Like, math is my favorite subject. But proving is not it. Okay? It's not fun. UST is the best way to go. Nico, what was your... ACET math is hard. UPCAT language proficiency is hard. You can pin that, Nico, if you want. How do I pin this? Pin. Ayan. So, I heard Ateneo math is really hard, okay? Ateneo math is really hard. Applied math is the best. That is still hard. There's still a lot of proving sa applied math. Which is easy to pursue, industrial or civil. They say industrial is easier kasi wala din siyang board exam. And mas mataas sahod ng industrial than civil. Yung starting salary, I think. Pero depende pa rin naman yun. Yes, apply to all schools, guys. I applied to 8 schools. So, make sure, yes. Does Kumon help? I never took Kumon, so I wouldn't know. Okay. Make sure to follow me, guys. So, yes. And I might post a TikTok later, okay? So, Yes, I will show you my YouTube. Let's go to my YouTube. Here is my YouTube account. There's my YouTube, and then here is my Instagram. Okay, so we're gonna end soon. Just keep asking questions if you want. What course recommend with fair pay? My course has good pay though. That's why I picked that course, because I didn't want to be poor. You know what I'm saying? What app are you using? This is the Samsung Notes app. Late na late. Yes, we're done. Dump Pochinki. I'm gonna post it though. I'll post it for you. Nakadami na tayong replay, so guys. Can you please, yes, let's watch it whole. Ito na yung pinakamadami. 1K review replay. This one's 400. So make sure to check out the reviews there. Okay. Best unit for architect. Architect maganda UST, I think. Maganda din sa UP, I think. Pero mas maganda UST, I think. May kilala kong UST na architect. Ano pong app? This is the Samsung Notes app. UP is closed, yes. Ateneo is open. Please teach me the buka in pasok technique. Okay, so that's for multiplying anything by 11. If you're new here, when you multiply any 2-digit numbers by 11, you buka it like this. That will be 2 and 4. And then the middle number will be 2 plus 4, which is 6. So that's 24 times 11 is equal to 264. Okay, that's the buka in pasok technique. How much tuition in Ateneo? It's around 200k per year. 100k per sem. Or 90 to 100k per sem. But madami silang scholarships, so make sure to apply for scholarships. General science? No, it's all math, I think. I haven't started science. Univ for psych? I think psych in Ateneo is nice. May AB psych and BS psych. Yung month po nila, anong month? How much tuition ng Archie sa UST? Around 70k per sem, I think. 70k per sem. Thoughts sa DCAT? DCAT is the easiest among the 4. Nico, did you take the DCAT? Can you tell them if it's easy or not? October po sa Ateneo, yes. Pinakamadali yung DCAT, guys. So, yes. Was it hard eh? Nico, for you? Best school for IE? UP or LaSalle? Okay, I'll try to make new questions. Strawberry 1, 2, 3. DCAT is the easiest, yes. Guys, lahat pumapasa sa LaSalle, okay? Lahat pumapasa sa LaSalle. I'm a hater, but also that's just the truth. I need water. I might have to drink water. LaSalle or UP for IE. Inubot today. DCAT felt like NCAE. Is that armpit hair? Armpit hair, are you in first year na? Best school for BSA, UST, accountancy. Ilang hours a set? Around 5 hours din. Review for USTET, I'll see. Pero same lang naman gagawin natin. So, if ever guys, you can just watch the review lives again. Same lang naman yung questions nila. Best course, depends on what you're good at talaga. Okay, what time is it? Thank you for following. So guys, make sure to follow. I might have to end because I have to get water right now. Unless you want to come down with me. You want to come downstairs with me. Archie sa NU. NU's a pretty good school. But I wouldn't pick it over the Big Four. Okay, bye na daw. Hintayin ka namin. Baka umalis na sila. We can go down. Let's go down. Nag-house tour. House tour. Civil engineering. Okay, bye na guys. Say bye na. Next time yung house tour after the UPCAT. Y'all should go to sleep, okay? Go to sleep. House tour soon. Okay. Let's get to 85k. 85k house tour. Okay. Bye guys. Bye JD. Bye Parker. Bye Nico. Thank you Nico for being here again. If you didn't see, I followed you on Instagram. Bye Eloise. Bye Gian. See you tomorrow guys, 7 or 8 p.m. I'll upload the rest of the lives on YouTube, okay? I'll upload them on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube also. We are close to 3k. Let's get to 3k. Oh, 269. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Bye, Melacare. Bye, Ali. Thank you, Nico. Bye-bye, Nico. Bye, Aaron.